As per report of Punjab Forensic Science Agency, pistol recovered from the appellant was found in mechanical operation condition. 3 cartridge cases, out of 4 mentioned above were identified as having been fired from the pistol recovered from the appellant. However, fourth empty cartridge case, due to lack of sufficient suitable corresponding microscopic markings, was not found as fit for comparison to identify or eliminate that it was fired from pistol or not. Projectile bullet was identified as having been fired from the pistol recovered from the appellant. However, bullet core was found as not suitable for comparison, therefore said recovery has provided corroboration to the ocular account. Similarly, brother of petitioner, the given up eyewitness of the case, came to know about the occurrence at 5 p.m. New paragraph. He lives adjacent to the house of complainant and he has stated that he left his house at 4 p.m. for drinking juice in Satellite Town Market along with his friends, and all the tell different location about occurrence and take it 4 to 5 feet away from the northern wall of the house. Aforementioned version of the appellant is a bald denial. Neither he opted to appear under section 342 CRPC as his own witnesses in support of his defense version, as well as in disproof of allegation leveled against him, nor he opted to produce defense evidence in support of his version. Furthermore, nothing could be found from the record in support of version of the accused. When defense version and prosecution version have been kept in juxtaposition, then defense version is of no avail to the appellant, whereas prosecution case has been found as fully established against the appellant beyond shadow of doubt. Therefore, convictions recorded against the appellant are upheld and maintained in toto. New paragraph. Convert the same to imprisonment for life under section 302B PPC, however, order passed by trial court regarding payment of comparison rupees 500,000 under section 544A CRPC by appellant to the legal heirs of the deceased and recovery of compensation as arrears of land revenue under section 544A to CRPC, as well as in default thereof to undergo SI for 6 months and remaining sentences under section 324 for causing murderous assault PW5 under section 337F recorded through impugned judgment are maintained upheld. However, his all sentences of imprisonment shall run concurrently, and he is also extended the benefit of section 382B CRPC.